everybody. Mike and Mark checking back in with you on another job out here in Pontiac. We're doing a repair job on a couple retaining walls that are having some issues. We're not sure how old these walls were, but a couple years ago a snowplow had run into both sides of this culvert here, and as you can see, pushed them all over, and they are quite a mess. And we were called to come in and assess the situation, and we're going to repair them for them. Here you can see we got this side all excavated. We're going to start tearing this wall down, but you can see how far pushed forward it is. It's not looking good. So what we're going to do is remove all this wall, get down to the main base, check the level of it, re-level any block that we need to, and then we're going to re-glue it all up, put some nice clean 3/4 stone behind here so we get some good drainage through there. It's almost like an open grade on a wall, and you can see the original contractors didn't really use too good a material. It's all dirt and road rock mixed together, and just not very good for that type of situation. So we're going to repair this properly, get everything squared away, looking good as new. Now we'll report back when we're done. Good afternoon, everyone. Mike and Mark here, reporting at the end of the day of our repair job. We about got things tidied up over here. Take a look over here at this wall. We got it all glued together. Caps are all cut in, shimmed up. The ledgestone is a little uneven at times, so we put some shims in there just so all the seams are nice and smooth. But that's all backfilled and ready to go with clean. And that's what our finished product looked like. And over here on this wall, we just finished this one up today. We can't backfill yet because it's fresh with glue, so we don't want to have a risk of it pushing out. But as you can see, it's quite the difference from when we started. So Mike and I are checking out from this project for now. Probably come back tomorrow and put some clean stone in here and get it all wrapped up. But finished product, everything looks good. Happy with the way things turned out. Until next time, we'll see you then.